Hello my people, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be talking about ironing because I'm doing ironing, so that's why we will learn the verb to iron. First of all, I can conjugate verb to iron. I iron. You iron. She, because it's me, I'm a lady. She irons. We iron. You iron. They iron. Abavuga ikinyarwanda ndagira mbabwiye ko nyine ubu ngubu ndi gutera ipasi nyine, niyo mpamvu ninashatse ko twigana ku ijambo gutera ipasi. To iron, gutera ipasi. Ndatera ipasi, I iron. You iron, uratera ipasi. She irons, aratera ipasi. We iron, turatera ipasi. You iron, muratera ipasi. They iron, baratera ipasi. Ariko kuko ari jyewe, I can say I iron, ndatera ipasi. Guys, when you are ironing, you need to make sure you got water to put in your ironing stuff. That's the water I'm having right now. This is ironing. I'm putting also water. I'm adding the water. A little bit. You don't have to make it full. After that, you do ironing. And you make your clothes proper so that it can look so smart, you know. Okay guys, thank you for learning with me to ironing. See you next time. I hope you learned something. Ciao ciao.